In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Charles Schwab Brokerage account. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the application to placing your first trade so you can move from idea to action with confidence. Start by heading to Schwab's official website and opening the page where new accounts are created. Choose the standard brokerage account, also called Schwab One. This is the everyday account you'll use to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and more. Make sure you see the secure connection indicator in your browser so you know you're on the real site. Next, choose the account type that fits your situation. An individual account is just for you and is the simplest to manage. A joint account is shared with another person, and both of you can contribute and trade. If you're opening a joint account, coordinate with the other person so your information matches. You'll then fill out your personal details. Expect to provide your legal name, home address, and contact information, along with a social security number or the local equivalent, plus basic employment and financial information. You'll also answer a few short questions about your investing experience. These items are required for identity verification and regulatory rules, so enter everything accurately and make sure it matches your identification. Create your login by choosing a username and a strong password, then complete identity verification. You may be asked to upload a government-issued ID. When you're ready, submit the application. For most people, the entire online process takes around 10 minutes. After you submit, approval can be quick, sometimes the same day, or it may take a few days. Keep an eye on your email or messages in your account in case Schwab needs any additional documents, and respond promptly to avoid delays. Once approved, it's time to fund the account. You can move money in with an electronic bank transfer, which is the most common, a wire transfer, or a check deposit. There's no minimum to open the account, and online stock trades have a $0 commission. Linking a bank for EFT is convenient, while a wire is typically faster but may carry a fee from your bank. With funds available, you can begin investing. Search for a stock or ETF, review the quote, and place your first trade. Start small if you're new, double-check order details before submitting, and use Schwab's research and tracking tools to monitor your positions. That's the full setup. Now you're ready to invest with confidence.